I'm going to show you how to create a professional resume or CV using Canva in 2025. Whether you're applying for a new job or updating your profile, Canva makes designing a standout resume. Start by opening Canva and typing resume or CV into the search bar. You'll see hundreds of templates ranging from simple and professional to bold and creative. Take your time to choose one that fits the role or industry you're targeting. Once you've selected a template, click Customize this template. This opens the Canva editor where you can personalize every detail. Begin by adding your name, job title, and contact information at the top. Make sure your email, phone number, and LinkedIn profile are clearly visible. Next, focus on your professional summary. Keep it short and compelling, highlighting your experience, skills, and career goals. Then move to your work experience section. Replace the placeholder text with your job titles, company names, dates, and key achievements. Use bullet points for easy readability and focus on measurable results wherever possible. After work experience, edit the education section. Include your degrees, institutions, and graduation dates. You can also add relevant certifications, courses, or projects to strengthen your profile. Finally, customize the skills section. Highlight your top technical and soft skills and consider using Canva's icons or graphics to make them visually appealing. Once you're happy with your resume, double-check for errors, adjust colors or fonts if needed, and click Download. PDF is ideal for sending to recruiters or uploading online. And there you have it, a professional, eye-catching resume or CV ready to impress employers. With Canva, you can create polished resumes quickly while showcasing your unique style.